A recipe for lemon lavender cupcakes that is lemony, floral, and delicious. These cupcakes are unique and beautiful, and everything is made from scratch. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line your cupcake pan with cupcake liners. Mix the flour, baking powder, salt, and lavender buds in a mixing bowl together and set aside. In another bowl or stand mixer, beat the butter and sugar together until light and fluffy. Beat in the egg, lemon zest, and lemon juice until combined. Take turns adding the dry mixture and the milk, stirring to combine each time until fully incorporated. Be careful not to overmix. Fill the liners with batter and bake for 20 to 22 minutes. Add the butter and shortening to a mixing bowl and beat until light and fluffy, about 2 to 3 minutes. Gradually add 4 cups of powdered sugar, then the vanilla, milk, lemon juice, and zest. Once the cupcakes have cooled, frost each one. Quickly sprinkle with lavender buds so that they stick before the frosting hardens. Find the full recipe at emilyfabulous.com.